Welcome to the magical world of For You Kids. I am your friend and guide. Before we start tonight's story, imagine a place full of colors and laughter, where surprises hide in every corner. Now, let's get comfy and ready to drift into a beautifully dreamy adventure. The Golden Bird. Good evening, dear little friends. I'm your Bella sister. Tonight, let's listen to a story and go to sleep together. Are you ready? Tonight, I have a very special story about the adventure of a magical little bird. Imagine if you had a little bird that could sing, and its feathers were golden and shiny. Wouldn't that be great? This little bird is not only beautiful, but also has magical powers. Its song can make people forget their worries and become happy. Do you want to know how this golden bird came to be, and what interesting things it experienced? Let's enter this wonderful story world together. Lie down, close your eyes, and listen to me tell you this beautiful story. In a faraway kingdom, there was a ruler named King Henry. King Henry had 3 sons, Prince Jack, the eldest Prince William, the second Aunt Charlie, the youngest. The king was getting old, and he wasn't as strong as he used to be. He wanted to find a way to regain his energy. One day, an old wise man came to the palace and told the king about a magical golden bird. Its song could cure illnesses and make people young again. This bird lived in a distant enchanted forest, and it wouldn't be easy to find it. King Henry was very excited when he heard this. He decided to send his sons to look for this magical bird. He gathered his 3 sons and said to them, "My dear children, whoever brings me back the golden bird will inherit my throne." All 3 princes were eager to go. They prepared their things, brought food and water, and a magic compass given by the king. This compass could guide them to the enchanted forest. Early the next morning, the three princes set off. They rode tall horses, passed through busy towns, crossed wide rivers, and headed towards the enchanted forest. Their adventure began like this. The three princes rode for a very long time and finally reached the edge of the enchanted forest. The trees here were tall and dense, and the air was filled with a mysterious atmosphere. They decided to separate here, each look for the golden bird. Prince Jack chose a wide path. He rode on his horse and soon met a little fox that was hurt. The little fox looked at him pitifully and said, "Your Highness, my foot is hurt. Can you help me?" But Jack thought he still had to hurry, so he ignored the little fox and continued on. Prince William took a rugged mountain road. He saw a small tree by the road that was about to wither. The small tree whispered, "Your Highness, I'm about to die of thirst. Can you give me some water?" William thought his water was needed for a longer journey, so he didn't water the small tree and hurried past. Prince Charlie chose a deep forest path. As he walked, he suddenly heard a faint cry. It turned out to be a little rabbit that had tripped over a tree root and hurt its leg. Charlie immediately stopped, used the bandage he carried to bandage the little rabbit's wound, and shared some food with it. The little rabbit was very grateful and told Charlie, "Dear Prince, you have a kind heart, and I will remember your kindness." So the three princes each embarked on their journey to find the golden bird. They didn't know what kind of adventures awaited them, nor who would ultimately find the magical bird. As time went on, three princes encountered different challenges in the enchanted forest. Prince Jack met a group of hungry wolves. The wolves stared fiercely at him, and Jack was scared and unsure of what to do. At this moment, he remembered the injured little fox he had met before and felt a bit regretful. If he had helped the little fox, maybe he would have a friend to help him now. Prince William came to a dry land. His water bottle was empty, and he was very thirsty. He thought back to the small tree that craved water, and his heart was full of regret. If he had been more generous at the time, maybe he could rest in the shade of the tree now and drink cool spring water. Prince Charlie continued to go deep into the forest. He met many small animals in need of help. And every time he would stop to help, although this made his journey slower, his heart was full of warmth and happiness. The small animals were all grateful to Charlie and helped him find his way, avoiding danger. One night, when Charlie was camping in the forest, the little rabbit he had helped before suddenly appeared. The little rabbit said, "Dear Prince Charlie, your kindness has touched the whole forest. I came to tell you that the golden bird is on a big oak tree nearby." Charlie was excited and thanked the little rabbit. His heart was full of hope and expectation. He knew that it was because he had helped others along the way that he could get such important information. The next morning, he set off in the direction indicated by the little rabbit. The next morning, Charlie came to the big oak tree mentioned by the little rabbit. Sure enough, he saw a golden bird perched on the branch. The song of the golden bird was pleasant to hear and made Charlie feel very peaceful and happy. Charlie whispered to the golden bird, "Hello, beautiful bird. I am Prince Charlie. My father is sick and needs your help. Would you like to come back to the palace with me?" The golden bird tilted its head and looked at Charlie, saying, "Dear Prince, I have heard about your kindness, but I can't just leave my home." Charlie nodded in understanding and said, "I understand, Lil. I won't force you to leave. Maybe you can teach me your song, so I can take it back to my father. The golden bird was touched by Charlie's thoughtfulness, and it began to teach Charlie the magical song. Charlie studied hard and quickly mastered this beautiful melody. At this moment, Jack and William also came to the big oak tree. Seeing Charlie with the golden bird, they rushed forward to catch the bird. Charlie quickly stopped them. Wait, brothers. We can't force the bird to leave its home. Jack and William looked at Charlie in surprise and asked, "So how can we help our father?" Charlie smiled and said, "The golden bird taught me its song. This song has the power to heal. Let's go back together and sing this song for our father." The three brothers finally agreed. They said goodbye to the golden bird and set off on the journey home together. Dear little friends, do you think Prince Charlie did the right thing? He didn't take the golden bird home but learned its song. Can you imagine Prince Charlie singing? He must have sung very seriously and with his heart. Imagine if you were Prince Charlie. What would you do? Would you respect the bird's choice like him? Or would you try to take the bird home? Little friends, have you ever helped others like Prince Charlie? Maybe you helped your mom with housework or helped an old lady cross the street. When you help others, doesn't your heart feel very happy? Now, let's close our eyes and imagine Prince Charlie and his brothers riding horses, singing the song of the golden bird as they go home. Their singing must be full of hope and happiness, just like the warm sunshine in the forest. All right, little friends, that's where our story ends. It's time to close your eyes and get ready for sweet dreams. Imagine you are lying in a soft bed, as comfortable as Prince Charlie resting on the grass in the forest. Your blanket gently covers you, just like the gentle the evening breeze in the forest. You can hear the song of the golden bird that Prince Charlie learned coming from afar. This song is soft and pleasant, making you feel at ease and relaxed. The singing slowly fades, becoming a soft murmur, just like a lullaby sung softly by your mother. Your breathing becomes slow and steady. Like the calm lake in the forest, your body becomes lighter and lighter, as if you are about to float. You feel very safe and warm, as if surrounded by all the friendly little animals in the forest. Slowly, your eyelids become heavier and heavier, and you begin to drift into dreamland. Maybe in your dreams, you will meet Prince Charlie and embark on a new adventure with him. Good night, dear little friends. Sweet dreams. Hope you enjoyed our magical journey. Before you drift off to sleep, don't forget to subscribe to For You Kids to ensure you never miss a story. Good night. Little ones, sweet dreams.